Hello everyone, what if you could bring old black and white photos back to life with just one click? That's exactly what Palette.fm does. Today I'm showing you an AI tool that turns your vintage photos into vibrant, realistic color instantly. From faded memories to full color moments, Palette.fm can transform any black and white images like magic. If you lose restoring all pictures, this AI tool is going to blow your mind. Let's see how this website colorizes photos with stunning accuracy and zero editing skill. So this is the website address palette.fm. You can type this address in your browser and you will read to this website. You can see the interface of this website. Okay, so this is very easy to use and it's best for the beginners. Okay, so first of all we are going to create our account on this website. So I will click on start for free. Okay, and after that we will click on sign up for free. Now it will give us a get one free HD card so that we can get our photo in HD. Okay, so let's first of all sign up and continue with the Google account. Okay, so this is the one time process. You don't have to create account again and again. So I will click continue, and that's how my account on this website will be created. Okay, and right, and then we will upload our new image here. Let's select the image. I have this black and white image. I will select the image. So the image is uploading. As you can see, this classic palette, and it will give you bright essence colorizing. As you can see that it has generated the colored version. You can see there are multiple other results as well. If you want to change, let's see. So as you can see that it has generated another preview. You can see these are multiple previews available here, and in this way you can turn your black and white photos into colorized photos in just one click with the help of this AI tool. So I hope you like the video and will get to know how you can achieve your black and white photos to colorized photo in just one click with this tool. So that's all for today. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.